Hi, I'm Stephanie, and I'm going to show you how to turn plain napkins into something uniquely yours on the Baby Lock Presto 2. Let's prep our napkin for decorative stitching. First, we need to draw a line 3 inches up from the bottom edge of our napkin. Then we need to draw a line 1/2 inch above this line and 1/2 inch below. Let's cut a bit of stabilizer just to place behind these stitch lines, and we're going to cut 1.5 inches. Now let's pin our stabilizer behind our stitch lines, and we're ready to sew. We're going to use this beautiful Madeira frosted matte thread, and I think we're going to start with stitch 08. Now whenever you do decorative stitching, your end foot is your best foot. And we're ready to stitch. And let's end our stitch with another tack down stitch. So come back up to your decorative stitch menu, and we're going to select 01. And just like that, your plain napkins have been turned into fancy napkins. Explore this project and many more at babylock.com.